Join us at Messe Stuttgart, September 24-26 for 3 days of cutting-edge exhibitions, lectures, and networking opportunities with a special focus on drone technology at the Unmanned Systems Stage. Germany's own INTERGEO, the world's largest geoinformation and land management conference, has begun ticket sales for its arrival at Messe Stuttgart in the eponymous capital of Baden-Württemberg from September 24th to 26th for 3 days of exhibitions, lectures, discussion, and networking. Running concurrently with the broader conference and expo, INTERGEO maintains its focus on drone technology through its Unmanned Systems Stage UAV exposition, formerly known as INTERAERIAL. This year's event promises to offer more opportunities than ever for drone industry professionals, with opportunities for networking with other UAV companies, lectures, and discussions designed to showcase the future of drone technology. Run as an independent conference within INTERGEO by their partners DGPF, Society for Geodesy, Geoinformation and Land Management, DGPF, German Society for Photogrammetry, Remote Sensing and Geoinformation, and UAV DACH. The Unmanned Systems Stage will explore exciting developments in the drone market, both for land surveying purposes and other applications under their motto, "Everything that flies." So far, the conference features a growing list of 342 exhibitors, including a range of software developers, providers, and manufacturers focused on data analytics and management, photogrammetry and 3D mapping, imaging technology, surveying systems, building information modeling, LiDAR/radar systems and integrations, smart cities, and more. Currently announced lectures and discussions on the Unmanned Systems Stage include presentations on German and EU drone/airspace laws, new UAV-mounted scanning/LiDAR applications, UAV operations efficiency, and laser scanning technology by drone professionals and business leaders, professors, and regulators. INTERGEO is organized annually by DVW and conducted by Hint Expo and Conference GmbH. DVW is the largest professional association of surveying engineers in Germany and promotes science, research, and practice in geodesy, geoinformation, and land management. Tickets are available for purchase for the expo and both the INTERGEO conference and the Unmanned Systems Stage here.